folks, so for our next thing we have the Hollywood Star Cars Museum. Pretty cool. Alright, what's going on, people? So here we are at the Hollywood Stars Cars Museum here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Gonna check it out.
What's up, people? So I just want to give a quick heads up. Throughout this video, I'm going to be talking to the camera, but I have to keep my mask on, and I didn't really realize how the mask kind of really blocks my audio. So if there's certain things I'm saying that you just can't understand, it is what it is. I apologize, but like I said, just focus on the actual video and the cars. Peace out.
The original Batmobile. And you got Dukes of Hazzard. Alright, y'all, and this is one of my favorite movie cars ever. Shelby GT500 from Gone in 60 Seconds. Yeah, the cars are beautiful. One manual and 10 automatic automatic. Okay. That's crazy. This is the original car. That's crazy. We got another car from Fast and Furious. I actually really like this car a lot as well. So these are like my two favorite. Well, Fast and Furious has a lot of nice cars, I'm not gonna lie. Like, wow, just look at that. Oh my god. Look at that engine. Wow. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. And then we have the bike from Terminator 2. It's actually pretty dope. And you got trivia about COVID, which is kind of funny. Alright, and then once you walk past there, you first brought to one of the James Bond's cars from GoldenEye. The Bumblebee car. And got the other Bumblebee car. It's crazy shifter is missing, but still pretty cool. Motorcycle from Ghost Rider. Terrible movie, but cool bike. And then the Jalopy. So I never watched the Beverly Hillbillies, but apparently this is a really famous car. I believe. No, this isn't Kit. I'm sorry. This is a car from another show. Oh, Smoking the Bandit. Okay. It's still really, really cool. Oh, the Delorean. I can see it. Oh my god. Alright, so as we keep on walking, the light's not on, but this is the... Oh, there we go. The truck from Twister. And then next we have one of the really cool props. I used to love this movie. I still do. But this is the truck from Twister. We even have old Dorothy in the background. And it has some really cool lightning effects you will all see in a bit. Little SUV thing from Logan, which is cool. And then what do you know? Oh, Ghostbusters. Alright, as you all can see, we have my favorite car ever right behind me. And this is what I came for. The best vehicle on Earth. A Delorean. Now usually you can sit inside and mess with the controls, but unfortunately because of COVID, everything is shut down. But still, this is a Delorean. Now I can definitely tell from the effects, this isn't on the movie car. This is definitely a replica, and they didn't go all the way with it, but still, it's still cool to see. I know they said don't touch, but this one you gotta touch. And then behind me, it has all the things from the movie, which is actually really, really cool. But those are all, none of that's real, that's just printouts and stuff, so this is kind of... And then we got Days of Thunder. So even though that movie came out in the 90s, I just recently watched it maybe about half a year ago now. It was actually a really good movie. I was really surprised. Tom Cruise, I know he's sometimes a nutcase, sometimes he's pretty cool, but in that movie, I really enjoyed it. And then we got Charlie Tangel. I think I remember this car in the movie. I don't really remember the movie that much, but whatever.
When the race began, Atlanta's Flood brothers were the ones to beat with a qualifying time of
And then we got Dolly Parton's vehicle. She apparently just left her Cadillac DeVille. And there she goes. I will be at Dollywood tomorrow, so I'm pretty excited. And in the back of the Ghostbusters mobile. Then we got Herbie. I remember this stupid movie. I never watched it, but I do remember seeing at least the updated one that came out. Then we got Elvis's car. And I'm not really a fan of Elvis, but at the same time, I mean, he is part of history. Got a gun of Elvis's for some reason, I'm not really sure why. Now, I am a fan of Michael Jackson, and we have Michael Jackson's Mercedes-Benz right here, so that's pretty cool. And then another vehicle from Fast and Furious. I mean, this might as well be called the Fast and Furious Museum. But just like the last couple ones, this one's pretty dope to see in person. The racing seats, got all that. That's really, really dope. And they got another vehicle from Cal. This is literally the Fast and Furious corner back here. Oh. This is one of the Rock's motorcycles. And then this is one of the Big Daddies that put Fast and Furious on. From the Fast and Furious collection. We have Paul Walker's famous Eclipse. Let's take a look inside, see if it looks the same. Oh, it's got the Exploits right there. So I can see the subs, which is dope. Looks like it's missing a couple of things, but still pretty cool. And then you got just the Val Kilmer suit and all the different. Wow, these are pretty cool. The main thing you want to come here for, of course, is going to be the Batmobile. So really, really cool. So right here is pretty cool. They actually have a Batman prop collections. So if you're a huge Batman fan, this is really cool to see. I actually remember each and every one of these props, so that's actually really, really cool.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.